In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoho WorkDrive with Zoho CRM. This guide will walk you through the entire process so you can seamlessly link these two powerful tools. By connecting Zoho WorkDrive with Zoho CRM, you can efficiently manage your documents and customer relationships all in one place. Let's get started and simplify your workflow. First, you'll want to start by opening your Zoho CRM account. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand menu and click on Marketplace. This is where you'll find a plethora of integrations and applications that can extend the capabilities of your Zoho CRM. Within the Marketplace, simply click on the All tab to view all available options. Next, it's time to search for Zoho WorkDrive. Enter either Zoho WorkDrive or just WorkDrive into the search bar. A list of results will appear, and from these options, you should select the Zoho WorkDrive application. Once you've located it, you'll want to proceed by clicking on Start Free Trial. This option allows you to test the integration without any upfront cost, and it's a great way to see how the integration can benefit your business processes. After clicking to start the trial, a new window will appear that assists you in finalizing the integration. Here, you'll be asked to agree to the terms of service. It's crucial to read through these terms so that you fully understand what you're consenting to. Once you've done that, if you're comfortable, go ahead and authorize Zoho WorkDrive to access your CRM data. This authorization is necessary for the integration to function correctly. Once you're ready, click on Continue to proceed with the installation. You may encounter a step where you're required to choose a profile for the installation. Depending on your organization's structure, you'll have the option to install the integration for admins only or for all users, or you can make a custom choice based on your needs and preferences. If this step appears for you, simply make your selection and then click Confirm. However, keep in mind that this step may not always appear, depending on what you're installing at the time. Next, you'll need to agree to a second set of terms and conditions. It's fairly straightforward. Just take a moment to agree to these additional terms, ensuring thorough review, and then once again, click Continue. It won't be long now, as the system goes ahead and completes the installation. Once the installation process is done, congratulations! You've successfully integrated Zoho CRM with Zoho WorkDrive. From here, you can begin to leverage the enhanced functionalities and seamless data management this integration offers. And there you have it. Zoho CRM and WorkDrive are now working together, boosting your productivity and organization. Thanks for following along.